When a couple comes to a gynecologist to be mother-father, by knowing and removing those causes by management due to delay in their wishes of having their own child, what all you have to suggest and advise them as a management of their inability to be mother-father, which is known as infertility. There is three things: IUI, that means intrauterine insemination; IVF, that means in vitro fertilization; and last but not the least, surrogacy. Conclusively, female is alright. Option is IUI, that means intrauterine insemination. If female tube or ovum both are defected or unable to be make her mother, then option is IVF, that means in vitro fertilization. And last but not the least, if uterus is defected and not able to conceive a child, there is one and only option is surrogacy. Even you can adopt a child. Usually male form thoughts and anticipation that inability to be mother-father is due to any ailment and defect in reproductive system of female partner of a couple. But it's wrong, totally. All of us know this fact, and we have to counsel and convince the couple about this fact. Defect and ailment in reproductive power, which is cause of inability to be mother-father, may also be in male partner of couple. Nonetheless, it is little lower than female inability and female causes. Here, we concern and concentrate on male partner inability to be mother-father after excluding all the causes of infertility which are due to female side. To be able to be father, any male partner should have adequate amount of semen ejaculated, which should contain at least 60 million sperm of 60% motility, and also should be healthy, non-fragile. One powerful spermatozoa or sperm must be alive in ampulla after reaching there till it could fertilize the already present ovum there or any forthcoming ovum. Reaching in ampulla. We know ovum life is 12 to 24 hours. We also know lifespan of a sperm is 24 hours to 72 hours. Male partner must have to understand and accept the facts about semen and seminal fluid. It's not necessary that a male having seminal fluid, which seems to be adequate according to him, entirely able to be father, and there is no need of any treatment from his side. Seminal fluid may be lacking of normal sperm count, of normal motility, and of healthy quality. So, if there is absence of etiology of infertility from female side, after thorough investigations, male partner must have ready to do their semen analysis. What it may, very frankly, gynecologist investigate female or male partner simultaneously. I want to say, very frankly, gynecologists investigate female as well as male partner simultaneously. First, the causes of inadequate seminal fluid or adequate semen but lack of all the normal criteria. It should be enumerated starting from sperm formation from seminiferous tubules up to reaching in seminal vesicle through epididymis. Then ability to reach in ampulla of fallopian tube. Even there may be problem in ejaculation which is not to be elicited from male partner usually. For gynecologists, it's hard to elicit this problem, this inability from the male partner usually. Finally, due to incurable causes listed above or told above, there is one and only treatment or management is IUI, that means intrauterine insemination. Details of all of these things in next YouTube. When a couple comes to a gynecologist to be mother-father, by knowing and removing those causes by management due to delay in their wishes of having their own child, what all you have to check